Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new Dizokizo goggles. These are swim goggles that the company sent me in order to create this video. So let me show you them. I opened it up but I put the tape back on so you can see how it looks when you get it. So it comes in this carry case. It's just plastic so it's easy to wash. It looks like kind of like an eyeglasses case. It's very very small, compact, easy to hold while you're swimming. It just pops open like that, and here's the goggles. So let me take them out so you can see how it looks. So here are the instructions. I'm not sure if you need instructions for goggles, but in case you do. And over here are earplugs and a nose piece over here. So the goggles have a clip over here, have anti-fog removable film right here, so you can just peel this off so you can see how it looks. So there it is, you can see the reflection. So it's great for during the sun. The reason why I picked this goggles, they showed me different ones that they make. The reason why I wanted this one is because it has this clip in the back. I find it easier to take them on and off instead of like ripping apart my head while trying to get it on. So you can see these you can just press and then slide it back and forth into each other as needed. It's hard to do one hand, but there it is. And these parts, you can see a small tab over here you can press. So this is to, I don't know if you can see it well, but when you press that, you could adjust these straps by pulling on it, and this part holds it together. So it's a really nice pair of goggles. It works well. It stays on my head really nicely, and it's highly adjustable. So I used these when I went swimming last week, and it really did a great job. With this seal over here, you can see how it does a great job of sealing everything and no water gets in. So thanks for watching my video on the Dizokizo swim goggles. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer you.